Hey Topic Cats, what's up? Fanscat Gaming here. We are back in Battle Cats. Ooh, a bunch of XP. Cat ticket. Emoto? What? Who the heck is Emoto? Dang it! I almost upgraded him to the max. He could be max. The literal max. Oh look! Is he not? Oh, not bad. What's up? No. Oh my god. Equip. $480. Sorry, Rocker Cat, you're gonna have to go. Sad, I know. At least if you're until your upgraded form does something really cool. Look, it's Axe Cat. Use it. Okay, I used it. Use. Nope. Missions. Mission. C'est moi. Okay. Let's beat Machu Picchu. Let's do it. It's gonna be great, and we're gonna love it. I'm gonna see what the heck Birdie Man can do. That's your name. Your new name? Birdie Man. Oh my god, he has a big hammer. He's a big freaking hammer man. Oh my god. He is a nightmare. What's your deal? Eat this. Eat this. Not bad. Eat this. Oh my god, he's a nightmare among nightmares. Not bad. Eat this. It's time to fight. Kill them all. Eat this! We'll take these guys out. Oh my god, it's an elephant. We are screwed. We have a lot of screwity in here. We need to take them out. Kill it. Kill the seal. The seal is a jerk. Wait. Oh, wait. We don't have to, apparently. Oh, my God. We just need to beat the crap out of the elephant until it dies. That's okay, right? It's okay. tapping things. The army is breaking down. More night cats. Oh my god. No, 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 no. No, no, we're under heavy firepower. Go, 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 goat, 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 goat. Fudge! There's another elephant. Seriously? Seriously? Oh my god, we need to up our game. Okay. Oh my god. Earthshaker? What does that do? What? Only has... Oh, 60,000. Crap. Oh no. I don't think we should have gone here. I'm going to leave now. Start. Challenge battle. No. Into the future. Time enough for cats. Dun, 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 dun. Norway. Let's see if Norway's got anything happening. Oh my god, aliens are attacking. And last time the hippopotami was really powerful and beat the crap out of us, but I think we're better. We're better people this time. We got this. Well, I think we're winning. Not sure though. We got this. Yeah. Oh my god, what is that thing? Fire! Oh my god. What is this nightmare? That just won't end. Oh my god. Let's escape. What? Galaxy cats? What? Oh well. Anyway, Top Pet Cats, that is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please like or subscribe to join Team Top Pet Cat today. Fans Cat Gaming out.